V Združenem kraljestvu pa potekajo še zadnje priprave na kronanje kralja Karla III. 74-letnika čaka v začetku maja precej spektakularen, a tudi naporen dogodek.
Po kronanju, ki lahko traja ure in ure, se bo družina po stari tradiciji pojavila na balkonu Buckinghamske palače. A ljudi najbolj zanima, kdo od družine bo zapletenim družinskim odnosom navkljub na dogodku prisoten.
A ni to malo krivično? Človek je pol stoletja čakal, da postane kralj, pa vse zanima sam, a bo na kronanje prišel njegov mlajši sin in a bo pripeljal svojo ženo, razvpito ameriško igralko, ki pa še modre krvi ni. Črne, verjetno. Mislim, to njih moti, mene ne. Življenje včasih res ni pravično. In kaj pravijo kraljevi podaniki?
Pay his respects, whether he's part of the royal family or his royal duties or not, he should just pay his respects to his father.
I love Prince Harry and he should definitely go to the coronation, yes. 110%. We have to not be too critical and remember that Harry is just a human being just like anyone else, yes? And remember the situation with his mother and everything like that. I don't have nothing against him.
Well, that is his father, isn't it? He should. He should come. He should come. That's his father. I don't care what it goes on, that's his father.
That's his father. Vse zanima sam Harry. To ni fair. A bi mogel priti ali ne? Je kronanje pomembnejše od družinskih zdrah? Oziroma, kot pravijo strokovnjaki?
There's something so relatable about rifts within families. It's something that I think every family can relate to, every person can relate to.
Družinski spori so nam blizu. Koga briga, da babica praznuje 80. rojstni dan? Ne, zanima se bosta dedek pa stric spet skregala zaradi garaže, ne? Pa se bo stric Ivan spet nabal mamba ali ne? To nas zanima. Čeprav pri nas doma, ko smo imeli kronanje, ni bilo nobenih zdrah, kaj pa vem. Pri nas je bil mir. Hej, preden greš, klikni tukaj in se naroči na naš YouTube kanal, imamo pa tudi TikTok, Instagram in Facebook, tako da le urno.